you like it? Not for you?
Hi guys, I'm Justin. I'm from America.
Hola, Tanner here, Thai Mexican.
Hello, I'm Ben. I'm from America as well.
Hi everyone, my name is Isha and I'm from Pakistan.
Hi, I'm coming from Japan.
Hello, I'm Eric from the Philippines. Oh my god, I forgot.
Hey guys, before you watch this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Joy. And remember to click that little bell down there. Ding, 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 ding. Please, please, please. It helps us so much. Thank you. Bye.
Tokyo. Tokyo, Japan.
Yeah.
Tokyo, Japan. Yes, I think.
I don't think this one I haven't tried.
Me neither.
Yes.
No.
You know that?
I did not. I do now.
Looks delicious.
We were just talking about bacon before.
Okay, I really like these, but I can already smell the ketchup from here.
Yeah.
That's my only thing. I don't like when they fill it with ketchup.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh boy.
Alright, cheers guys.
Cheers.
Wait, are we gonna rate this one or something?
Cheers.
Cheers.
You change the one.
One bite, one bite challenge. I like the cheese.
Delicious.
Oh my god. อร่อยมาก
อร่อยมาก
ฉันมาทำอะไรที่นี่ ฉันมาทำอะไรที่นี่
Aloy.
Delicious.
Yeah, it's really good.
I've never put anything other than syrup and butter on my pancakes, but this is a game changer.
Do you like the ketchup?
I love it, man.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm not crazy about the ketchup.
I like the sausage on its own and the pancake on its own, but the sweet and the ketchup flavor and it's not going so good for me. So I'd give it like a 4.
What?
I like this one. Hey, pancake itself 10, sausage 10, together 4.
Sausage, good. Crab, good. Cheese, good. Everything's good. 10 out of 10.
ๆ Give you 10 out of 10.
I'll give this maybe 8 out of 10.
I'll give it a 9.5.
For me, it's 8.5 because if it were without the ketchup, it would be 10.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Aloy.
You like it? Not for you?
จะบอกเธอได้ไง
Alloy.
Right?
Oh, do you have like insect crab?
It's the ketchup, right? The sauce is overpowering. You can only taste ketchup. You can even taste the flavor of the chicken. You love it.
I love it.
You're so American.
I love it. You put a chicken tender inside of anything, I will eat it.
If it was barbecue sauce or like hot sauce, okay, but ketchup?
If it were just the tender, that would be fine. But the
Again.
I'm sorry, the flavors are not mixing for me.
I'll give it a 9 though. I like the sausage. 9. How about you, Tony? Oh, 10? 10 still?
The meat's nice, I like the meat.
You gotta open up a little more, be a little more open to culture, you know?
But Thai ketchup is also very sweet.
yes.
So it's like candy chicken.
10 out of 10.
5.
Yeah, I'll give it a 5 as well.
Cream custard? Oh,
I
sweet.
think this one will be nice.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Caroline, da da da.
Caroline,
Oh my god.
Now we're talking. Now we're talking.
Is there ketchup in this one?
They better not.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my god. So good.
It's so good.
It's like comfort food for me.
It's super sweet. It's like the same feeling as like the Chinese sanam bao that has the sweet kai kim kind of thing, I
And
guess.
it's not too sweet.
This is like a heaven.
Give it a 9.
10.
I like,
10.
yeah. Actually 10.
10. Oh.
10.
10. Easy 10.
Okay.
For Cam. When you guys go first.
Here we go with the ketchup.
It's like cubed.
It is a cubed ham. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ham with ketchup. Eh?
Not for you again. I don't think I'm acquiring the taste of the sweet with the meat, like the savoriness of the meat. Even when I eat a crepe, I never get the one, you know, they have the with the ham and the sausage. I've never eaten that because I don't think it's for me.
There's not much flavor.
I'm confused.
I feel like ham does not belong in this pancake.
I don't mind the ham and the pancake, but there's not much flavor. Do you think there's flavor?
I don't know what to say. I'm just confused with this combination here.
It is nice, not my taste. I'd give it a 4.
You guys are.
It's
you guys
9. It tastes delicious, but the pork is a little bit hard. Too hard.
8.
4.
5.
Ooh.
Pork? I'm sad. Okay, I'll give you a second.
Thank you.
Oh, so this is smoky what?
And guess what?
Ketchup.
Yep.
Touch wieners.
So in general, you don't like sausages?
No, I love sausages and I love pancakes. I just don't like them together.
Okay.
I like it.
I think this one might be a bit better without the cheese and the ketchup.
This one has more flavor.
I like this.
I don't love it though, to be honest.
But I think it was better than the ham.
I think if it was like a spicy sausage, that'd be good.
7.
I give it a 6.
It's 10 again.
I said 6.
Oh, better than others.
I'll go for a 9. I like the one with the cheese and the bacon more. First one.
Custard. Oh, yay.
First one. Hey.
Custard.
I'm gonna have to say the chicken tender.
I like the sausage with the cheese or the custard. Yeah. Thanks for watching us. See you next week. Bye.
Giant.
Okay, good.
Did that help?
No.